Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram cannot create group chat in Instagram account. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Go to profile picture. Again click on 3 line. Scroll down. Click on help. Again click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Click on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, I cannot create group chat on my Instagram account. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 2. Tap or hold on Instagram apps. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Tap on clear data. Again tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram cannot create group chat in Instagram. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.